Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so on this video today, guys, I'm bringing you guys the five best bakery software on the market, especially for cake decorators or for bakeries that specialize in cakes and confections. Okay, so if you know what bakery softwares are, they're basically softwares that help you to label, nutritional analysis, ingredient purchasing, inventory taking, production, some even taxes, like, and customer satisfaction and everything. Basically, it helps you run a bakery business seamlessly. So if you have a bakery business, that you have a shop, or maybe you even bake from home, maybe you're an established home baker that has quite a lot of customers, yes, this can be great for you to scale your business and for you to have like better organization on your business. Basically, bakery softwares are like your administrators but on a computer. And sometimes you pay per month, and there are a lot of bakery softwares on the market for bakeries, but today I'm bringing you the 5 best softwares, especially for those that make cakes and sweet confections and for home bakers. Okay, so before we get started, could you please make sure you follow me on this channel? Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up on this video, because I work really hard on these videos. Okay guys, so once you have done that, I'm giving you kisses for doing that, so let's get started. The first bakery software we're examining today is the FlexiBake. Okay, so the FlexiBake is a bakery software, and basically it is very good. I think it's originated from Canada. I'm not sure. The makers, I think the makers are from Canada, and it is amazing. And one of the best things about using it is that they have this 60 days like a demo where they help you implement all of the things and teach your staff how to work with it. And it has 5 stars. Basically, like, it's a 5-star software, and it is usually for small or intermediate bakeries, so it works best at that. And then I think the price is about 225 Canadian dollars, which is around maybe 200 US dollars, and it is amazing. Usually, most of the best features are customer management. It helps in taking inventory, labor cost calculators, nutritional labels and ingredient labels and stuff, nutritional analysis, product management, recipe formulation, formula costing. Like, basically it does a lot of work for you. So for the price, which is 225 Canadian dollars a month, I think it's still okay compared to what is on the market, and it is amazing and you'll enjoy using it. So if you use this software, please leave me a comment in the comment section below about your experience, because I do not use it. Okay, so number 2, we are talking about the Foodman. Yeah, the Foodman is like a 5-star software as well, and it is amazing for the price. It is amazing for the price, because compared to most softwares on the market, I think it is pretty reasonable. It's $75 US dollars per month, and it is awesome, especially if you have a bakery business or you have an established home bakery at home. And like, it does a lot of things for you, like ingredient labels, nutritional analysis, product management, formula costing, recipe formula management, like, and also very importantly, sales history, sales management, and how to improve sales. So if you're looking to improve sales on your goods and services, and you're looking to change the software you use for your business, I think this is something you should try out. It is called the Foodman, and it is amazing. And I think they have like a demo that you can try out for a month to see how it works before you pay for the full thing. Okay guys, so that is on the Foodman. So if you use the Foodman, could you please leave me a comment in the comment section below about your experience and everything. Okay, so we are going to the third one, which is the Cyberbake. I think this is my favorite. I'm not very sure. I think this is my favorite. Okay, so the Cyberbake is also a bakery software, basically. And what I like about it is that, okay, I like the price point. The price point is about 160 US dollars per month. And like, if you're looking to improve efficiency in your bakery business, like improve efficiency, like how your workers work, the goods, and like your goods compared to how much money you're making, this is an amazing software for you, because it helps you deal with customer satisfaction, how you interact with your customers, how you take orders, logistics, and like basically it helps you go paperless and everything. And it is very good at logistics and delivery. So if you're looking for to improve efficiency in your business, this is the software to go. And I think the price point is okay. It's about $160 per month. And also, if you're looking to cost down on how much you spend on administrative work and everything, this is the software to go, because it really helps you, and like it helps, like, you know, okay, I'm beginning to blab. Okay guys, so if you use the Cyberbake, please leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know what your experience is. And I should give you guys a disclaimer, I'm not paid for any of this. Like, I've just had several questions in my comment section about like softwares that I use to scale my business. So I'm still going to bring a software, like a free list of software for you guys in case you're looking for free options, but these ones are paid. Okay, so going on the fourth one, we're talking about the baker's labeling software. Yeah, I know it says a labeling software, but it does a lot more than just labeling. And it is a 5-star software, and it is great in managing your ingredients, your recipe, your batch calculations, and pricing. It is an amazing software, and I think the price point is okay for this software. It's a little on the high end though. It's about $320, and in my opinion, I think it is best for cake decorators, like home bakers from home, because it is really good and they're going to teach you how to use it. And they have this customer whatever online that can teach you, like they will answer all of your questions and show you and show your staff how to use it and everything. No, did I say $319 per month? $319 per year, which is amazing compared to other softwares, because compared $319 per year to $225 per month, so that is like a good bargain, like a good, you know, you're basically going to be getting good service for your money, basically. Okay, so that's on that. So if you use this software, please leave me a comment in the comment section below and tell me what your experience is with it and everything. Okay, so the last one I'm going to be talking about today is the Rich Bakery software. Rich is REACH bakery software, and this software is amazing if you're looking to, like, if you have problems with invoicing and like customer representation. Yes, so basically it helps you, like it has you know, it can help you invoice, accounting, and it has a mobile app. This is the best thing about this software. It has a mobile app, which makes it a lot easier for you to use. And also they have like a demo version you can try for a while. I don't really know how much this software is though, but they have a demo version you can try for a while, and you can speak to, you know, their representatives and know how to use it. And they have some classes, they have some tutorials on how to use it for your staff and everything. So I think it's awesome, especially if you have a business that sales are going down and you're looking to improve sales, because it helps customer satisfaction by like fast responses to your customers, pricing and billing and all of that. So it's an amazing software. So, and it's way easier to use because you can also use it on your phone because of their mobile app. So if you use this software and you have maybe good or bad experiences with it, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. And like I said initially, I haven't been paid for any of this. Like, I'm just telling you guys honestly what I think about this software, and I did my research a lot on it, so like I'm not really just blabbing. What I use for my cake business is the Cyberbake, which is amazing, and you guys should try. And I think the price point is what it works and stuff. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. I hope I wasn't blabbing too much, and please follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram as _cake_me_away. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. I'd really appreciate it. So if you use any of the software I spoke about, please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much. And like I said initially, I'm going to make a free version for you guys in case you're looking for free softwares to use, because there are lots of free softwares on the market that can use to scale your cake business, your bakery business from home, or if you have a bakery and stuff. So thank you guys, and I will see you in my future videos. Bye.